How to fix an iPhone speaker is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone speaker is not working, here are some ways to fix it. First and foremost, make sure the ring or the silent switch on the side of your iPhone is not set to silent. If you see orange, it's on silent. For this, you have to flip it to the ring mode. Once you do so, you will also see a notification indicating if it's in a ring mode or the silent mode. So you can flip it on and off as per your interest. After that, press on the volume button to make sure the volume is turned up. This way, you can see if your speaker is working. Next up, head over to the settings application. Then, go to the Bluetooth option. Once you search for the Bluetooth option, tap on it and then turn it off. Sometimes audio routes to other Bluetooth devices, so turning this off ensures the sound plays from your iPhone speaker. Third option is to check for your speaker grills for dust or debris. However, if this does not help, restart your iPhone by holding the power button and volume up button. Then slide to power off. Now turn it back on and test the sound again. Another thing to keep in mind is that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. For this, head over to Software Update and tap on Install if there are any available updates. However, if none of the steps work, it could be a hardware problem. In that case, you will have to contact the Apple support or visit an Apple store for professional help. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.